This is the box I got. Hello, Vanakkam, welcome back to my channel. Just today I got my free baby box from Noobie. I have already applied in Amazon, Walmart, Target and Noobie, of course Noobie. So in this free baby boxes, we get free stuffs from big brands like Huggies. So let's see what I have got from this Noobie box. So let's open it up and see what's in it. Open it. Oh, there's a card. Dear Noobie mom, congratulations on your pregnancy. Sit back and enjoy this moment for you and the beautiful baby in your belly. Unwrap your Noobie box filled with excitement, essentials and helpful tips to support you on your motherhood and journey. Love, Noobie box. So I applied for this Noobie box after my delivery. So beautiful baby in the belly. It won't apply for me, but also so wow, it's wrapped beautifully. See ya, Noobie box. So let's can you hear her? She wants my attention right now, right at this moment while I'm filming this video. Just wait for me, baby. Oh, I do want this. Let's see. So there's this Noobie guide. Let's see what's in it. Okay. So this is content. Noobie box relieved. A word from the founder. April thoughts could start. Newborn must have. Baby registry checklist. The power of breastfeeding. Nursing essential. Birth fact. Effect that unexpected mom interview. What's next? Okay, my daughter is getting up. Before that, I have to wrap up this video. Or else she'll be cranky. Okay, so first thing I am seeing here is turmeric spice tea. Okay, it's a herbal tea. I don't know the words. Freshest ingredient direct from Indian's choicest gardens. Okay, so this is from India, I guess. Okay, next is lactation supplement drink mix. So I think you have to chocolate flavored. You have to mix it with water and drink, I guess. Oh, my baby's getting up. So this is for stretch marks and water wipes. This is for the baby. Oh, prenatal vitamins. Doctors insist that you have to take prenatal vitamins even after pregnancy. That means after birth, so that you will get all the vitamins which you are required. Okay. Time out, I guess. Time out. I'll come back and do other stuff because my baby is getting cranky. Time out. I'm back and my baby is playing right now. I don't know whether you can hear the sounds. So let me continue with the box. So Aqua, it's a baby rash cream. Yeah. Right now I'm not using any baby rash creams right now because so next here I have another tea packet. This is green tea of the same brand, Vadam. So next I'm getting teething relief for the baby. So next, sanitary pads. Here I have disposable nursing pads and breast pump bag, storage bag. And here I have a pacifier. So let's open this up. This is from Boon. I have never heard of this brand. Okay. So next is the biggest box in the box. It's Cuties Diaper. What I'm getting here, it is 5 diapers. Yeah, 5 diapers for 18 to 14 lbs child. There's this one card. And that's all. The box is empty. And for all the expecting mothers, I'll be sharing you the link to how to get this Noobie box in the description. Please check it out. And I think this was the only box I had to pay like $8 for the shipping. And other 3 boxes like Amazon, Walmart and Target, I didn't have to pay anything, like for the shipping also or for the box. And yeah, after I get those boxes, I'll be sharing you the unboxing video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please leave a comment and thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. And be safe and be happy. Thank you.